ChatGPT is amazing. You can do so much things with ChatGPT and other AI. And one of them is creating diagrams and flowcharts using ChatGPT. But how do you create flowcharts and diagrams using ChatGPT? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can create diagrams and flowcharts using ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT, and you can do this by visiting chatgpt.com in your web browser as well as in the ChatGPT app. And when you are on ChatGPT, what you have to do is first of all log into ChatGPT, because if you are not logged in, it won't provide the functionality of Canvas, which is the important thing here to create a diagram and flowchart. So once you are logged in, next you have to just ask ChatGPT to create a diagram or flowchart. For that, first of all, get the required content that should be used in the diagram or flowchart. For that, I'll ask, give me steps to write first blog post, and then hit enter. And when you hit enter, ChatGPT will provide the content to be added in the flowchart or diagram. You can see ChatGPT is providing this text-based reply here, but we don't have to stop here. We have to get this text and turn it into diagram or flowchart. For that, we will ask ChatGPT to convert this text-based format into diagram or flowchart, and next hit enter. And when you hit enter, this will start analyzing and then create the diagram or flowchart that we just asked it to create. You can see it has provided some content here, but it failed to create the flowchart or diagram because I'm on the free plan, and with free ChatGPT user account you can do only a few things. But that shouldn't be an issue, because we can just ask it to provide us the mermaid code, and you can see here the mermaid code is provided. So next I can just copy the mermaid code from here, and after that I go to any diagram maker tool that just supports the mermaid code. For that, we will go to draw.io, which is a free diagram and flowchart maker tool. And now we are having a blank canvas where we can simply create a diagram or flowchart using the mermaid code that we just copied from ChatGPT. For that, we will first select this plus icon from here, and then select the mermaid option from here. And when we select it, here we get a user interface for pasting the mermaid code. Here, first of all, select the existing code and just delete it, and after that paste the code that we just copied from ChatGPT. And after that, you get to choose the option from here whether you want to create diagram or image. So keep the diagram selected, and after that click on insert. And when you click on insert, this will just create the flowchart or diagram that we just asked the ChatGPT to create. And here further you can make edits and make it look beautiful. Like you can add any color to this like this, or you can also drag it like this and make it look like the way you want. And you can see it has got all the steps here. So once you are done with editing and created the diagram or flowchart in your desired design and style, next you can export it. For that, you can simply click on file option from the left menu items and then select export as. And next choose the format in which you want to export. You can select PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, or anything of your choice. I'll select PNG right now, and after that I can choose whether I want a transparent background or not. I'll keep it simple without transparent background, and then next I'll click on export, and next just rename it and save it. And you can see the diagram is downloaded now. So this is how you can create a diagram or flowcharts using ChatGPT completely free. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want more ChatGPT and AI prompts and tutorials like this, then check out the first link in the video description below, which is completely free.